Hey guys, how you doing today? I just wanted to show you some of my progress on my helicopter here. Turn on the light there. So we got the cockpit done. Kind of hard to see all the detail with this phone, but you can see the control panels there. Yeah. And here's my little figures. Here's my one pilot. Try to do some funky like lightning bolts on his helmet. Didn't turn out the best. This one I like a lot better. So this guy's going in the back seat. Focus, come on, focus. Yeah. So the buckle's done, the belt. The helmet I really like. And there's this one. Doesn't have his face shield down, but he's got different helmet anyway. Buckles, belt. And then of course the cockpit. I didn't paint the buckles on the seat obviously because there's no point considering the guys are going to be glued in there. And once the helicopter's together, chances are you're not going to see any of this detail anyway. It's like all the other models I've done with detail in the cockpits. You never see it, you know. But yeah, so that's the helicopter build update. So I'm going to be gluing these guys in soon, and then I'm going to be starting to work on the actual helicopter itself, because after they go in, I go to the helicopter build. So that'll be next, and hope to show you progress in a day or two with that. So otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. See you later.